Hello again, friends, and welcome to another edition of If This Car Could Talk. It's a genuine, original law enforcement vehicle actually used on the streets of Pasadena, California as a specialized pursuit vehicle. Let us know in the comments what your favorite cop car is of all time and why. So, without further delay, let's check out Ted's squad car.
Hi, I'm Ted Saraf. It's a wonderful day at the car show is all I can tell you.
So what is this thing behind you?
This thing behind me is a piece of history. It's a 1968 Dodge Coronet. This is what they call a police pursuit. It was manufactured by Dodge Chrysler Motors, and it was basically built on a Super B platform, high performance product car, and it was made specifically for 2 years for the police officers throughout the country to have a vehicle. Come on.
We're in trouble now.
To have a vehicle that would be able to catch all the hot rodders. And believe me, these things were fast. Had the big 383 high horsepower engine, race transmission, 727 tranny with special built-in factory shift kit. Wheels are Hemi wheels, a 6-inch wide steel wheel they used to use on the Hemi cars. What else? And this one's very special because it not only has all that, but it has factory air, which is almost unheard of. And I was just so fortunate to find this car on eBay in 2008. I always loved these cars when I was a young officer. In fact, people would tell me as I arrive on the scene of a crime, they would be standing there with smiles on their face, and they say, you know, we heard you coming 10 blocks away with that big engine you guys have. He says, but the crooks are all gone, you missed them. But anyway, I was happy to find this car, and my wife is happy because she's partnered with me on this, and she loves it because we have a air-conditioned in-dash factory car that is so rare. I've never seen one with it before, so I just feel fortunate to be able to have a great car to drive.
Awesome.
Although the gas mileage is really bad, about 10 miles or less when you're not using the air conditioning, but it's a great car.
Yeah.
I rebuilt the car, took it all apart, and pulled it all apart and sent it off to the shops and fixed everything and got it back on road by June of 2008. So it took about 4 months.
Wow.
And I've enjoyed it ever since.
That's awesome.
I go to car shows all over the place. The farthest I've been is Detroit, Michigan, for the Woodward Avenue Dream Cruise.
Yeah.
And I was invited there to Ferndale, Michigan, which is the beginning of the cruise. And at that show, I actually won the one and only trophy for the whole show. I was unbelievable. I was like, I can't believe this.
Oh.
All the way from Michigan. So
That's awesome.
it's been a fun car. Really enjoyed it.
Winner today.
Yes, ma'am. That's what I hear. I'm so excited about that. This is
You
amazing.
get some pictures of you going over the ramp.
Oh, great. Oh, that'd be wonderful. That'll be great.
Great. Thank you so much.
You bet. Thank you.
This car was lovingly and carefully restored by its current owner, Ted Saraf, to look and perform just as it did back in the late 60s. Thanks, Ted, for sharing your car with all the viewers and subscribers of our channel, and also to your fellow Law Enforcement Vehicle Club members we met last August when we attended the San Marino Motor Classic in Southern California. Many of the people that were in attendance with their police cars took the time to share them with us so that all of you can watch these videos and can enjoy them. We've provided links below so you can see them all. They're well worth watching, so go back and check them all out. How do you like this beautifully preserved Chrysler B-Body police pursuit car? Let us know in the comments. Next week, we're bringing you coverage of 2 more of the incredible auctions we get in the Phoenix area each January. I'm specifically referring to the Bonhams and R.M. Sotheby's events. While certainly not the biggest of all the auctions, the quality and variety both companies bring make them a must-see for serious buyers and car enthusiasts. Don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.